for people who want to get into photojournalism and who want to see conflict firsthand and see what that's about, if you really want to do stuff like this, slowly ease your way into it. Cover riots first. Cover low intensity conflict first. Get a hostile environment first aid training. Do that. I have combat medic certification, so that just means that you know how to put a field tourniquet on. If somebody's arm or leg gets blown off, you know how to put that tourniquet on them so that it stops the arterial bleeding. You know how to put a chest seal on somebody so that just the things that will keep somebody alive or yourself alive until they can get to a real doctor. So many journalists go into combat situations, go into conflict situations, and they don't have any training whatsoever. They don't understand situational awareness, and that's just not really responsible. You have to have insurance as well, and that's being a freelancer, being somebody who isn't working for a big name client. A lot of times you don't have that, and you're just risking it all in the hope that you can come back with something. And so I can't stress enough that if you do want to do these sort of things, get medical training, get hostile environment training, get insurance, and talk to people who have done this sort of thing before. Have a bulletproof vest. Have an IFAC, an individual first aid kit. Know how to use it, and know how to use your camera too. Know how to use it inside and out. I've met a lot of people, especially in Hong Kong, who they didn't know how to use completely know how to use the gear they had on them. And I wasn't going, man, you're stupid. I just would advise them, know how to use your equipment inside and out, just like a soldier knows how to take apart his gun with a blindfold on and put that shit back together. Know everything your equipment can do, and know you don't want to be fumbling around with your settings when a wave of tear gas is coming at you. It's just these little things that, I don't know, as the gear has become more accessible and as the world has opened up because of air travel, you can put yourself into a place that you might not be prepared for. You might not be prepared for.